In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add privacy policy in GoDaddy website. A clear privacy policy builds trust with visitors and helps you align with key regulations. I'll walk you through exactly where to go in GoDaddy's website builder and how to turn on the built-in tools that make this quick and straightforward. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy to quickly find the official site. Click through to the GoDaddy homepage and sign in to your account. Use your usual login details, and be mindful not to enter any sensitive information on unfamiliar pages. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your account name or profile icon. Click that to open the account menu, then choose My Products. This brings you to a dashboard listing your domains and website projects, so you can easily pick the one you want to update. Find the website you want to work on and open it to access the site editor. Inside the editor, you'll see options to modify pages and sections. Look for the plus sign that lets you add a new section to a page. It's typically visible within the page outline or near the area where you want to place new content. Click the plus sign to open the section gallery. From the section categories, click General. This groups common building blocks you can add anywhere. In the General category, select Privacy Policy. GoDaddy will insert a pre-built privacy policy section onto your page with headings and placeholder text so you have a solid starting point rather than a blank canvas. With the section added, click Comply with Privacy Laws and EU GDPR. Enabling this brings in GoDaddy's compliance-focused template and options designed to help you align with major regulations such as the EU's GDPR. It's a practical foundation, but remember, it's a template. Make sure the content accurately reflects how your business collects, uses, and stores data. Replace placeholder text with your actual practices, including the kinds of information you gather, why you collect it, how long you retain it, whether you use cookies or analytics, and how visitors can reach you with privacy requests. Keep the language clear and easy to understand so visitors can quickly find what they need. This privacy policy section is typically meant to live on a legal or policy page and be easy to access from your site's footer, so visitors can find it from any page. After you've tailored the text to match your operations and compliance needs, you're all set. You've used GoDaddy's built-in tools to add a professional, compliant-looking privacy policy to your website.